any case were manned by the senior doctors. Junior residents, etc., were not placed there. So that is something that I also, we are working overtime. There has been absolutely no this thing from our side. That's her.
I appear for a doctors' organization, thank you, called Doctors for Patients in Calcutta. Our suggestions will give to the task force. There are two issues we'd like to highlight to your lordships. First is pertaining to the investigation itself. Second is pertaining to that policy of 19th August. There are two more clauses, since your lordships already have that before your lordships. I'll start with that.
I mean 13th September.
19th August, the West Bengal policy which has come out, which Ms. Nandi had just read out. If your lordship will
13th September.
No, lordship, this is 19th of August. If your lordship
What idea is referring to?
or if your lordship will see family welfare. It's part of that helpers of the night policy. The earlier state report of the state of West Bengal.
All right, what is it?
There are September circular. It's there in my IA as well as I'm told in the earlier status report of the state of West Bengal. The
Association of Doctors and Patients in West Bengal.
it's a trust called Doctors for Patients. So, your lordship,
What's your point?
I have 2 points. Number one, in this policy, your lordship said 11, clause 11, subclause 5 and 6, we have a serious problem with. One is working hours of women, including women doctors, should not preferably exceed 12 hours at a time. Second, wherever possible, night duty may be avoided for women to the extent possible. Now, this is the policy of the state of West Bengal, and our doctors have a serious problem with this. And your lordships in
How
multiple
can you say
cases.
that women should not work on night duty?
Exactly. Precisely.
Women will have an objection if you keep them from working.
Exactly. And to limit us to a 12-hour shift. In fact, many of the junior residents work for 36 hours flat out. Now, this is directly impinging on gender and being employed at all.
Completely right. You need
That is
to
one.
stick with the point.
We'd like, and second point, I have a second point, your lordship. I have a second point. Second point pertains to investigation. One is on this policy, your lordship is seized of it. I will leave it at that.
Women don't want concessions. They want
Yes.
equal opportunity in terms of safety.
In Anuj Garg's case,
Why should we prevent a woman doctor from working in the night?
or 12 hours. Why limited to 12 hours, your lordship? Because junior doctors work 36 hours.
12 hour working time is for all doctors. Don't bifurcate.
Actually, whatever the shift,
Exactly.
women doctors are ready to
Absolutely.
in
Yes,
terms
yes,
of time.
Exactly. In Anuj
Well, let's not undermine them.
Anuj Garg-
Undermine the lady doctors.
Mr. Sibal, this has to be
There is
corrected.
no issue, my lord. We'll notify it. We were just worried because there is no security in place at the moment.
No, but the
I
answer
want to
to
make
it-
sure.
Saying this,
The
And
answer to it-
I want to make sure, my lord, that something like.
The answer to it is you must ensure security.
In addition, this is only temporary. But if your lordship wants, no issue.
This itself
the
is
state
offensive, your lordship.
says that it cannot provide
Hold on.
security. The
We are-
sector is.
We are at item. If.
In Anuj Garg's case, the lordship.
The law, the provision of the Act, Punjab Excise Act was
Absolutely, exactly.
that any establishment which serves liquor,
No issue.
therefore two things, Mr. Sibal. I think the state of West Bengal must immediately correct with their male counterparts.
We'll issue a notification, but not an issue.
Your duty to provide security. And we can't, any night
Call
doctors work
centers.
at night.
Call center-
Your armed forces.
The armed forces work.
Women work.
I said, because of fear of retribution, they're not coming out and openly. The request here is for an anonymous. Just people are scared. So if they can be enabled to give their website, but after the girl's name is mentioned, there is the footnote because I just clicked on it on my phone.
Assure if
Be just flooded with.
that's the problem, my lord.
information, you know.
Don't disclose their identity to anyone.
You know, if we get of relevant, irrelevant.
Despite that, the cyber crimes, despite